Hello, my YouTube friends. This is November the 15th. It's 46 degrees at 4:32. I'm on my way to Georgetown. I'm on 62. Georgetown in Scott County, Kentucky. Visibility is terrible. Notice that? It's really bad. It's a very gray, cloudy, overcast day with mist in the air. In a way, though, it's kind of lovely to be out. Generally prefer somebody else do the driving when it's weather like this, and like I said, only 46 degrees. The temperature will be dropping. I don't know how much. Been a little while since I took you on a ride along with me, and this one's not going to be very long, just maybe a minute or something, but nice to have you. Remember on my YouTube channel to like and subscribe. Thank you. Ride along with me again soon. Thank you.